boy. Nice to meet you.
Nice.
Yeah,
Very nice to meet you.
Good to meet you as well. When it comes to challenging yourself, you always have to find ways to improve yourself, right? Because if you stay comfortable at where you're at, you're never going to get better. If you're the best person in your gym, it's probably not a good gym for you to be in. You have to have a desire to be successful. You have to have a desire to improve every day. Get 1% better every day. Learning one thing you did today. Just learn one, you know, and that multiplies over time, right? So the scene here in the Philippines, I've noticed that we're very good at striking. We're good at jiu-jitsu, but we lack wrestling. I'm glad that you're teaching wrestling. I'm glad that you have a wrestling background. I'll be back here. I'll be back here to teach wrestling and MMA.
Galing tayo sa gym natin, training tayo doon, tapos pumunta tayong Baguio. Ang layo na narating natin. Tapos ngayon, nandito tayo sa loob ng Octagon. Tandaan nyo tong moment na to para hanggang sa next na pagpunta nyo dito. Galing din sa Phoenix Petroleum, may bonus tayo. Signed gloves ni Frankie Edgar at Uriah Faber. Sana matuloy nyo yung training natin, tapos maabot nyo yung pangarap nyo talaga na makatapak sa UFC.
Sa Phoenix naman, sobrang saya ko dahil sa ginawa nilang project, nakaka-inspire.
Overwhelming yung support ng Phoenix sa amin, nakakatuwa and life-changing experience talaga. And super thank you sa lahat ng binigay ng Phoenix, sa ginawa ng Phoenix for us. And Jimboy, definitely pinakamagandang experience so far sa lahat ng MMA experience na napuntahan ko. So thank you, super thank you sa Phoenix talaga. Siguro yung feeling ko with MMA now is mas nabuhayan ako with everything. Mas na-feel ko na capable ako na gawin or abutin yung mga dreams. Pagtapak nung pa ako dun sa Octagon, sobrang iba. Parang gusto mong maiyak na kinikilabutan ka. So hindi ko ma-explain yung feeling eh.
Yung time na umakyat ako sa Octagon, nag-flash sa isip ko na palang araw, tatapak din ako dito sa cage na to. Nasa isip ko, kailangan magsipag pa ako. Paano mo yung ginagawa ko karon, kailangan dagdagan ko pa. Sobrang na-inspire ako na ituloy yung sinimulan ko.